Just got these bare root strawberries in. So these came from MIGardener. I don't know if you can see that there. So these are the Seascape everbearing strawberry. Okay, so they gave me some instructions. So here's what comes with. Some paperwork here. Quick care document, planning guide. And here are the strawberries. So these are packs of 10. So here's how they come packaged. Okay. And so I am not ready to plant these yet. Oh, they look nice though. So you can get you a close up on there. There's some instructions. So Seascape strawberry, dormant, 1-year-old plant, large berry, day neutral. Soak roots for 20 minutes in warm water to help absorb moisture. Plant as soon as possible. Avoid covering crown. Those are the directions they give you. But I plan to get these in Sunday or Monday. The latest Monday. So I'll put these in the fridge until then. And then I'll bring you along when I plant them. Stay tuned.